Akali Dal leader Sukhbir Singh Badal at the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Now, Badal, who was on a wheelchair due to a fractured leg, was performing a religious penance at the temple's entrance. The shooter, reportedly a Khalistan sympathizer with a history of being booked under the UAPA, is believed to have received training in Pakistan. Now, despite the presence of high-level security, he was able to approach and open fire at Sukhbir Badal from a close range. Now, the attacker was nabbed immediately on the spot, and after there was alacrity shown by an ASI who was standing next to Sukhbir Badal. The cops, though, are probing the incident from all angles, including the possibility of the entire incident being staged to gain sympathy, and this claim of sympathy has triggered another showdown. Listening to what the police have said.
ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਸਾਰੇ ਐਂਗਲ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਸ਼ਨ ਚ ਬੜਾ ਡੀਪਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਾਨਸਿਕਤਾ ਕੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਮਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੋਈ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਜਾਂ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਐਂਗਲ ਇਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅੱਜ ਉੱਥੇ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਥਰਡ ਐਂਗਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਿੰਪਥੀ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ, ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਆਪ ਸਿੰਪਥੀ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਐਂਗਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਡੀਪਲੀ ਇਨਵੈਸਟੀਗੇਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ।
So you heard the Commissioner of Amritsar there talking about all the angles of the investigation. But there is that one angle that has in fact triggered anger, especially in the Shiromani Akali Dal camp. Now, a day after the assassination bid, Sukhbir Singh Badal today arrived at Anandpur Sahib under heightened security. There are multiple checkpoints that have been set up in the area as authorities now want to leave no stone unturned to ensure his safety. And we will also show you the latest pictures that came in this morning of Sukhbir Singh Badal, who is at Anandpur Sahib. For this, let me go across to my colleague Techri, who's tracking the story and all its, in fact, all the other layers of it. Techri, now, there is a lot of questions that are being raised, especially by the Akali Dal on the Punjab police. The questions of security lapse, the questions now of a possible collusion. There are some questions that Akali leaders are now saying that there was a possible link between the police and the assassin. Before you get us all those details, do talk to us about what you're seeing around you and the kind of security deployment around you when it comes to the safety and security of Sukhbir Badal, who's at Anandpur Sahib.
Well, first of all, let me take you to the kind of security that's been deployed over here at Sri Anandpur Sahib, from where we are currently reporting. And in fact, you can see that this entire area, first of all, let me also tell you that there are many leaders and in fact many Karyakartas who are present from Shiromani Akali Dal itself. And in fact, what the SAD leaders said, that they do not trust the Punjab police. That is why they have, that is why the Karyakartas have gathered over here in large numbers. And in fact, in your visuals, you will also be able to see that Sukhbir Singh Badal was in fact just few minutes back was present over here, and in fact he was completing his religious punishment that was in fact given to him. And in fact, if we talk about the security, then yes, multiple layer of security has been set up over here, and apart from that, also metal detectors have been set up, have been installed at several places, not just one place, but at several places the metal detectors have been installed. And in fact, the vehicles are of the vehicles of the travelers are also being checked at regular intervals. And in fact, here I would like to show you the 360-degree visuals as to how the security is deployed, how the people are present over here. And in fact, Sukhbir Singh Badal also arrived amidst high security after the incident took place yesterday in Amritsar's Golden Temple.
Okay, so Techri is there at Anandpur Sahib. Sukhbir Singh Badal is there. There is heightened security over there. Cops now do not want any questions to come their way, especially when it comes to the security situation. Do stay with us, Techri, because now there is a flashpoint that's brewing between the Shiromani Akali Dal and the Punjab police. And what is this about? This comes at a time when Akali Dal's Bikram Singh Majithia has tweeted a video on his social media handle to claim an alleged link between the Punjab police and the K terrorist. Now, the CCTV clip tweeted by Majithia has a date stamp of 3rd of December. Based on this clip, Akali Dal leaders are now pointing at a handshake between the assassin, that is Narayan Singh Chora, and a cop. Now, as per the Akali Dal, the man shaking hands with Narayan Singh Chora is an SP of the Punjab Police. Now, we are not independently vouching for the CCTV footage as tweeted by the Akali leader, but this definitely is adding a whole new twist. Now, let's talk about the CCTV footage which was tweeted by Bikram Singh Majitia. Now, this is the footage that was tweeted by Bikram Singh Majitia. This has a date stamp. If you look at the date stamp here, it is the 3rd of December 2024. Now, as per the Akali Dal, they claim that the person walking here, going up, walking like a few steps, going here and, talking to another person is the SP of Punjab Police. And the man in question here, if you can see this clearly, the man in question here is Narayan Singh Chora, the man who's now under arrest, who has alleged links, a Khalistani sympathizer, whose links are now unraveling. So the man who tried to, carry out that assassination bid on Subir Badal. But take a look at this footage once again. Let's show you what this footage goes on to establish. This was tweeted by Bikram Majitia. The date key is 3rd of December. This is CCTV footage. We are yet to verify where this footage is from. But as per the claims made by Bikram Majitia, this was, in Amritsar itself. He goes on to say that this man who walks up about a few steps and goes to a person to shake hands is an SP of the Punjab Police. He's also mentioned his name in his tweet. As per Bikram Singh Majitia, this is a person named H. Singh. And here the man with whom he's shaking hands is Narayan Singh Chora, the man who tried to carry out that brazen assassination bid inside the premises of the Golden Temple. He opened fire there. Now, this is the footage that has been released and now they go on to claim. And this also comes after the Commissioner of Amritsar went on to claim that we are also probing the sympathy angle. Now, when he spoke about the sympathy angle, the insinuation was that this possibly was done to garner sympathy by the Shiromani Akali Dal. And now, currently, all this footage is coming out. Claim versus counterclaim is going on. A lot of questions being asked of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab as well. And now there is another revelation coming in. The next breaking news that we are going to put out on our screens, viewers, is about another fresh footage that has been put out. And let's now play that out on our screens. Another CCTV footage has been released by Bikram Singh Majitia, the same Akali Dal leader who put out this footage to claim a collusion between police and the terrorists. Now, this is the footage as per Bikram Singh Majitia. This is from the Golden Temple where you can see Narayan Chora. Let's look at the footage once again. This again has been tweeted by Bikram Singh Majitia. This is the entire sequence. Now, here you've seen this already. This is from the premises of the Golden Temple when Narayan Singh Chora goes in, gets very close to Sukhbir Singh Badal, yanks out a gun and tries to carry out that assassination bid when he's overpowered by people over there, including a police official. But then what happens before that? This is another video where you can see him walking around very, very freely inside the premises of the Golden Temple. You see him walking around. He's there inside, moving from one place to another. No checks. Nobody is even coming close to him. Very unsuspecting. That's what many people have also said, because it is a place which is as pious as the Golden Temple. People are not really checked or frisked. These are the claims made by many leaders in Punjab. So in this footage, you can see he's walking around as he keeps walking. Just take a look at what's happening. He's walking around. He's, like any other devotee who comes in. There is nobody checking him, nobody suspecting any motive. Seems like any other pilgrim who's come there to offer his reverence in the Golden Temple. Now, let me go across to Tejshri. Tejshri, now there is a new twist to the entire investigation. There are footage. There is, two CCTV images and CCTV clips posted by a top leader of the Shiromani Akali Dal, that is Bikram Singh Majitia. In one, he goes on to claim an alleged collusion between the Punjab police and the terrorists. And in the other, he goes on to put out a clip where he says that, look what happened. This was a breach in security, because look at the way Narayan Singh Chora is walking around freely. How do you look at the kind of reactions? What are the kind of reactions coming in? Because here it is the Akali Dal which is training guns not only at the Punjab police but also at the Aam Aadmi Party government in the state of Punjab.
Well, in fact, we also also spoke to several Akali Dal leaders here, in fact, and all the Akali Dal leaders are saying that this is a state-sponsored attack, and in fact, they are alleging that it's been done by Aam Aadmi Party to finish off the leadership of Shiromani Akali Dal. And as far as the videos that are concerned that we are seeing on the social media that are being put out by Bikram Singh Majitia, in these videos, in fact, that are being put out by the social media handle of Bikram Singh Majitia, in which he claims that Narayan Singh Chora can be seen shaking hands with, SP Harpal Singh, and post that also, not just on the day of attack, but just a day before of the attack also, Narayan Singh Chora was spotted at the Golden Temple. And in fact, also what we are getting to know by our sources is that the Punjab police will also be probing all the angles so as to why he went there, what was his motive behind visiting the Golden Temple just a day before when Sukhbir Singh Badal was supposed to arrive at Golden Temple to complete his religious punishment. And not just that, in fact, the police will also be probing the CCTV premises of the entire area, of the nearby areas, because remember that Narayan Singh Chora left his residence at 6:45 a.m. and then this entire incident took place around 9:30. So where was he? From where he got that gun in his hand, and in fact how he managed to get that inside? All these angles will also be probed. But as far as the political war of word is concerned, yes, on one hand Shiromani Akali Dal is alleging Aam Aadmi Party is behind this entire attack, and Aam Aadmi Party on the other hand is in fact praising the Punjab police to thwart this entire attack.
And the police were just probing the other aspect which has triggered this kind of fury from the Akali Dal is that sympathy claim that was made by the commissioner. Do stay with us because we have more investigative inputs coming in when it comes to the entire probe. According to sources, CCTV footage has confirmed that Narayan Singh Chora, the man who opened fire inside the premises of the Golden Temple with an attempt to cause harm to Sukhbir Singh Badal, was at the Golden Temple premises a day before the attack on Sukhbir Badal. Now, the Punjab police sources are also revealing that Singh frequently visited the temple, possibly to conduct a recce. So now the recce angle becomes a part of the investigation. There are investigators who are also suspecting that he monitored the area for days before he decided to go ahead and carry out an alleged, an attempted assassination bid on Sukhbir Badal on the 4th. So we have another reaction coming in. Let's play that out. This is from the Akali Dal, where they go on to claim that this is nothing but a state-sponsored attempt at Sukhbir Badal's life.
Yesterday's attack was a state-sponsored attack. A person with a known history of terrorism was able to attack Sardar Sukhbir Singh Badal in full public view. He carried a sophisticated weapon. He was roaming there for 2 days. And after the whole incident, there was a statement from the police commissioner, and he tried to give a twist to this by saying that it may have been manipulated to get sympathy. This is the professionalism of the police. I think that statement should be investigated. NIA chief, CBI chief, the High Court should validate what forced the officer to give such a statement at such a sensitive time. Even after this serious incident, who compelled him? Who gave the orders him to that you must say? Those persons should be exposed. They are the real culprits.
Shocking there. The Shiromani Akali Dal now says that the fact that the Amritsar Commissioner Gurpreet Singh went on to make a sympathy claim even before the investigation made any kind of headway, that itself should be investigated, and they are calling for the NIA to probe the case. They want the High Court to come and take note. But HD, you are also tracking all these leads that are coming in when it comes to the investigation. The CCTV footage now becomes extremely key. The recce angle is under investigation. But do tell us more about Narayan Singh Chora and how, like the Shiromani Akali Dal is asking, if there is a man with a known history of being a Khalistani sympathizer with cases of UAPA in the past, how is it possible that he was allowed to roam freely and carry out recce at the premises of the Golden Temple for the last 24 to 48 hours?
Well, Shiromani Akali, the leaders are repeatedly asking the same question so as to why, if the intelligence was provided that, Narayan Singh Chora, him being a former terrorist, and in fact, not just once, but earlier also he tried to attempt an attack on the Badal. So why this security measures were not taken at that particular point of time? And in fact, now what our sources are revealing that Narayan Singh Chora was not just spotted a day before in the Golden Temple in Amritsar, but also he was there for past continuous many days. And in fact, now police will be probing this particular angle as well, that why was he there? Was he there for a recce? Was he there to monitor that particular area? Was he there to see that where the security check-ins are and how he can escape the security check-in, how he can bring the gun inside, and what will be the actual spot where he will be attacking, or in fact will be trying to attack Sukhbir Singh Badal within the campus premises.
Okay,
So all these angles.
one clarification, Tejashree, for our viewers who are joining us, because there was a video, a CCTV footage that was also tweeted by Bikram Singh Majitia, which we just explained to our viewers. So that footage of Narayan Singh Chora inside the premises of the Golden Temple, is that from the day or when he tried to, that is yesterday, when he tried to carry out that assassination bid, or was it from a day earlier?
Well, as of now, what we are being told is that it is a day earlier. In fact, he was seen shaking hands with the SP Harpal Singh. That is what the Shiromani Akali, the leaders, are claiming. But again, it is the matter of investigation. As in when the police will investigate the matter, the things will unfold, that how it happened, when it happened. And in fact, it is also possible that this entire video that we are seeing, in which he can be seen shaking his hands with SP Harpal Singh. So there is a possibility that he could also be questioned. And in fact, on the other hand, we see that there is this big statement coming from Shiromani Akali, the leader, the Harpal Singh Chima, where he is Daljit Singh Chima, where he in fact is asking to probe the or in fact to also investigate the statement that's been made by the commissioner himself to in fact that
So
this
the
has
Akali
been done
Dal is
entirely.
claiming collusion. The Akali Dal is also today hinting at conspiracy, especially after the cops are probing the sympathy angle. The flashpoint over what happened in Punjab inside the premises of the Golden Temple with regards to Sukhbir Singh Badal and Narayan Singh Chora becomes one of the top stories that we are tracking here on Times Now. Thank you so much, Tejashree, for getting us all those details. We'll keep you ahead with all those investigative leads. Time now for us to take a short commercial break.